Welcome. In this session, we'll explore how to extract unique values from an array based on a comparator function. This approach is useful when working with structured data like objects. Let's get started. The goal is to iterate through an array and keep only the first occurrence of each unique object based on its specified property, such as ID. The function uses reduce to iterate through the array and build an accumulator. The sum function checks whether an element with the same unique identifier already exists in the accumulator. If not, it adds the element. The function iterates over the array from left to right, ensuring that only the first occurrence of each unique object is retained, while ignoring duplicates that appear later. As we traverse the array from left to right, we retain only the first unique occurrence of each ID. The values D and E are removed because they appear after the corresponding unique entries. This technique is valuable in data processing, ensuring we keep only the first instance of each unique value. It's particularly useful for deduplicating records in databases and tracking user actions. In summary, this function helps filter out duplicate values efficiently while retaining the first occurrence. This technique is widely applicable in real-world scenarios, including data filtering and deduplication. Thank you for following along. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.